Welcome to another WP XPO tutorial. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best free weight-based shipping plugin for WooCommerce. We all know WooCommerce default shipping options are very limited, but this plugin makes advanced weight-based shipping easier. Let's see what we're going to cover in this video. We'll set up standard weight-based shipping, zone-specific weight-based shipping, weight-based shipping with incremental pricing, shipping with maximum charge limits, shipping with minimum shipping fee, free shipping based on cart weight. Additionally, I'll also show you how to manage weight units, set up advanced display rules, configure shipping tax and visibility, and help you avoid the most common weight-based shipping mistakes that can break your shipping calculations. The plugin is called WowShipping, and we'll be using the free version. It's a relatively new plugin, has solid reviews, and works smoothly with the latest versions of WordPress, WooCommerce, and PHP. Plus, the team behind it releases updates regularly, so it's actively maintained and reliable. The best thing about WowShipping is that it works smoothly with WooCommerce shipping zones and other shipping plugins. You can still use WooCommerce local pickup, free shipping, and flat rates without any issues. What I can say is that if you're looking for a practical and free way to manage weight-based shipping, keep watching. The free version is enough for most stores. Let's install the plugin. So from the dashboard, go to Plugins and Add Plugin and search for WowShipping. That's the plugin. Click on Install Now and Activate. Alright, the plugin is now installed and activated. You'll find it right under the WooCommerce menu. From here, you can add shipping methods, explore analytics, and set global settings. Before setting up any shipping rules, there's one thing you absolutely must check: the weight unit set in your WooCommerce settings. Head over to WooCommerce, Settings, then Products. Scroll down until you find the weight unit under the Measurement section. Here, you can choose kilograms, grams, pounds, or ounces. This setting directly affects how your shipping costs are calculated. So before you do anything else, confirm your weight unit is correct. For this tutorial, we'll use kilograms. Here's another essential step. If your products don't have weights assigned, your shipping rules won't work. To set this, open any product, go to Product Data, then click the Shipping tab. You'll see the field where you can enter the product's weight. For example, if you're selling a book that weighs 1 kilogram, enter 1. If it's a dumbbell that weighs 10 kilograms, enter 10. Without a weight value, WooCommerce can't calculate shipping properly, and any weight-based rules will fail at checkout. So make sure every product in your catalog has an accurate weight added. Now, let's set up shipping zones. A shipping zone determines which shipping options customers see based on their location. A zone can cover an entire country, a specific region, or multiple regions. Now, if you want to sell in the United States, create a new zone named USA, select the United States as the region, and click Save Changes. Similarly, if you also plan to ship to Canada, create another zone named Canada, select Canada as the region, and save it. Each shipping zone can have its own shipping methods. You can add these directly from this page or manage them through WowShipping. Now, let's add shipping methods. From the WowShipping dashboard, click the Add Shipping Method button to open the customization panel. Start by giving your shipping method a name. I'll use Standard Shipping. This is the label customers will see at checkout. Next, choose the shipping zone where this method will apply. In this case, I am selecting the USA. Next, you'll notice two calculation options: manual rates and carrier live rates. Since we're setting up weight-based shipping, choose manual rates. If you want more flexibility, you can connect shipping carriers using the Pro version. This enables real-time shipping rates based on your cart's total weight, pulled directly from your selected carriers. You'll get access to 7 carrier services, including DHL Express, USPS, FedEx, and more. If you'd like to learn how to set up live carrier rates, you'll find the video tutorial linked in the description. This is the most common setup. You create multiple shipping tiers, and each tier has its own cost. Under manual rates, you'll see 3 options: flexible rate, flat rate, and free shipping. Choose flexible rate, since that's where you can build your weight-based pricing tiers. You can also add an estimated delivery time, such as 3 to 5 days, and this is optional. Now, if I open this dropdown, you'll see several types of conditions available. They're nicely grouped by cart, product, customer, location, and a few other categories. The cart weight condition is available for free. In fact, the free version includes all cart-based conditions, such as cart quantity, cart total, coupons, volume, and others. Now, let's set up a standard weight-based shipping with 3 tiers. First, choose cart weight as the condition. Set it to less than 5 kilograms and charge $3 for shipping. Next, add another tier. Set the cart weight to be between 5 kilograms and 10 kilograms, and the shipping cost to $5. Finally, set another tier where cart weight is between 10 and 20 kilograms, and the shipping cost is $8. You can reorder the tiers, and the order is important. The system checks tiers from top to bottom, so if any conditions overlap, the tier placed higher will be evaluated first. As you can see, each tier also has a special action option: pass, stop, or deny. These are advanced settings that we'll cover in a separate tutorial. For a standard weight-based setup, just leave all tiers set to pass by default and keep everything as it is. You can add as many tiers as needed, even on the free version. Now, publish and test it on the front end. If I add a product that weighs 4 kilograms, the shipping cost will show $3. When I add more items and the total weight becomes 12 kilograms, the cost increases to $8 as expected. That's your basic tiered setup. Lighter packages cost $3, and the rate increases step by step as the total weight goes up. Now, here's what I want you to understand. You can use the same weight rules, but charge different rates for different shipping zones. For example, in the United States, our weight-based rates are $3 for less than 5 kilograms, $5 for 5 to 10 kilograms, and so on. Now, if I want the same weight conditions for Canada, I simply duplicate the shipping method, change the zone, and update the prices. So for Canada, it could be $5 for less than 5 kilograms, $7 for 5 to 10 kilograms, and $10 for 10 to 20 kilograms. Same rule, only the zone and rates change. That's how you create zone-specific shipping. This time, instead of fixed tiers like quantity-based shipping, we'll use an incremental rate. Because the fixed tiers can fail when an order exceeds the highest set limit. For example, if you set rates only for up to 50 kilograms and someone orders 100 kilograms, checkout may show no shipping options were found. That's where the incremental system really helps. As the cart weight increases, the shipping cost keeps increasing automatically, so you don't have to worry about setting a maximum limit. Let's say we want to charge $2 for every 5 kilograms in the cart. To do this, we'll use an incremental rule. For each additional 5 kilograms, the shipping cost increases by $2. You can also set a base cost. For example, for orders up to 10 kilograms, the base shipping cost is $3. On top of that, add $1 for every additional 3 kilograms. So if the cart weight is 16 kilograms, the shipping cost becomes $5. That's $3 as the base cost for the first 10 kilograms, plus $2 for the extra 6 kilograms, calculated at $1 per 3 kilograms. Remember to assign weights to your products, otherwise the calculations won't work. here's a common situation. You want to set a maximum shipping limit. No matter how heavy the order gets, the fee won't go beyond a fixed amount. Let me show you how to do this. In this shipping method, we will add a final capped tier. First, for 0 to 10 kilograms, we will charge $7. Next, between 10 and 20 kilograms, the charge will be $12. Between 20 and 30 kilograms, $18. And finally, for anything above 40 kilograms, set the shipping cost to $25. With this setup, even if a customer orders 70 kilograms or more, the shipping charge will never exceed $25. Now, let's reverse the approach. Instead of setting a maximum limit, you can ensure the shipping fee never goes below a fixed amount. And to do that, create a rule using the always condition and set a minimum cost. For example, always charge at least $5, regardless of the cart weight. Then add your weight-based tiers on top of that. With this structure, even if a customer orders a very light item, your shipping fee will never drop below your minimum threshold. This ensures you're never losing money on shipping. Now, let's set up free shipping that applies only within a specific weight range. Here's the idea. If the cart weight is between 10 kilograms and 15 kilograms, customers get free shipping. First, create a new shipping method and name it Free Shipping. Select the USA zone, and from the manual rate options, choose Free Shipping. Next, add the condition. Cart weight is between 10 kilograms and 15 kilograms. This means free shipping will appear only when the total cart weight falls within that range. This type of conditional weight-based free shipping isn't available with the default WooCommerce shipping settings. Now let's publish and test it. I'll add products so the total cart weight is between 10 and 15 kilograms. As you can see, free shipping is now applied. If I add more and the cart weight goes outside that range, free shipping disappears and it switches back to the standard shipping method we created earlier. Below the tiered shipping table, you'll find the Advanced Display Rules section. It's optional, but very powerful. This is where you control exactly when your weight-based shipping method appears at checkout. For example, you can set a condition where the cart total must be between $200 and $500. That means even if the cart meets the correct weight requirements, the shipping method won't appear if the customer's total order is only $100. In short, this lets you show or hide your shipping methods based on additional conditions beyond weight. If you need to apply a shipping tax, you can set it here. For now, I'll leave it as none. You can also manage shipping taxes globally, so you don't have to configure tax settings for every shipping method. On the settings page, set your preferred tax option, and it will automatically apply to new shipping methods. You can still select for each method if needed. There are a few important options, like debug mode. If the shipping rate is missing at checkout, turn it on and go to WooCommerce logs to see the reason. It helps you identify and fix shipping issues quickly. If you enable delete data on uninstall, all shipping data will be removed when the plugin is uninstalled. You can also set your shipping origin if your fulfillment location is different from your store address. That's it. Now back to the setup. Here you'll find visibility controls. In the free version, the shipping method is visible to everyone by default. If you want it for logged in or logged out users, you need to go for the Pro version. The Pro version also unlocks handling fees, where you can add a fixed amount or a percentage of the cart total. You can also decide whether it applies to the entire order or to each individual item, and even make it taxable. That's the setup. Let me quickly break down the most common mistakes. First, not assigning weights to your products. If your products don't have weights, the shipping rules won't work. Second, mismatched weight units. If your products are set in kilograms, but your rules are written in pounds, the calculations will fail. Third, forgetting to set a proper maximum limit for the final tier. If someone orders 100 kilograms, but your highest tier only covers up to 50 kilograms, checkout will show no shipping options were found. So always add a final tier that covers anything above your maximum. And fourth, not testing your setup. Add products to the cart and make sure the shipping cost is accurate. As you've seen, we've already covered all of this in the video. So if you want to set up weight-based shipping in WooCommerce with different conditions, the free version of WowShipping is a great place to start. And if you need more advanced rules and flexibility, you can always upgrade to the Pro version. You'll find the purchase link in the description, along with a 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee, so feel free to try it out. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weight-based shipping tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.